What's up, beautiful people, and Michelae here, and in this video today we are going to be making a beautiful whipped butter. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you will be notified of future uploads. In this video I'll be making a quite large batch on camera, but the measurements given will be for a 200-gram batch. To make this process simple and efficient, we're going to measure out all of our ingredients first. You'll need 49 grams of shea butter, 24 grams of mango butter, 24 grams of cacao butter or cocoa butter, 6 grams of avocado butter, 39 grams of coconut oil, 8 grams of sweet almond oil, 3 grams of olive oil, 4 grams of avocado oil, 2 grams of vitamin E oil, and 2 grams of whatever fragrance or essential oil you choose. So we're just gonna go ahead and combine all of our oils and butters except our vitamin E and our fragrance into a glass bowl. The reason why we're not doing this is because vitamin E and fragrance is extremely sensitive to heat. When heating vitamin E, it reduces the antioxidant properties of the oil. But we do not want this because the vitamin E is actually going to prolong the shelf life of our oil. We'll add it at a later time, as well as the fragrance. We're gonna use the double boiler method today to melt down our butters and oils. You're just gonna take your glass container and place it into a pot of simmering or mildly warm water. This process will take a little bit of time for your oils and butters to melt down. You want to take this gradually and slowly because if you heat these oils and butters too much, you're gonna degrade the nutrients and properties of the oils, and because we don't want that, we want to have a nice rich potent whipped butter. Take it low and slow. Once everything is melted into nice liquid form, remove the contents from the heat, cover with a saran wrap, and place it in a freezer for 1 to 2 or maybe even 3 hours, or until your mixture is somewhat solid in texture. Now it's time to whip and whip it real good. You can use a stand mixer or a hand mixer. I'm gonna be using this stand mixer today. It's my first time trying it out because it's been in my kitchen for forever and I'm just like, all right, use it. Now is when you will go in with your vitamin E oil and your fragrance oil. I didn't actually add a fragrance to this one because the cocoa butter has such a rich fragrance on its own and I actually adore it, so I didn't add any extra fragrance. Look at that work of art. The butter has this yogurty whipped texture that is absolutely beautiful. To fill the container, I use a Ziploc bag. I'm just going to transfer the butter to the Ziploc bag and then I'm going to snip one of the corners and then pipe right into my container. I do let my butters sit for 24 hours until they reach a desired final texture. And here is my finished product. My butters came out amazing. I absolutely love and enjoy using this butter. I use this butter on my hair, I use it on my skin, I use it on my hands, I use it on my knees, on my heels. I use this butter for many different things and many different parts of my body. Thank you for watching and I absolutely look forward to seeing you in the next one.